Welcome to the most insane time of the lifetime. Now every day is getting harder and harder. We all are limiting ourselves from socializing or even from taking a stroll outside and feeling the fresh air. There are a lot of us who did not even got a chance to reach their family before everything went on hold and stuck somewhere with their feelings all alone. It's been 5 months now. I have not stepped out from my home, not seeing my friends, not able to be with my family. And yes, the loneliness has finally got me. In order to follow this time, now everything started to feel hard for me. Now it's getting hard for me to go to bed or even to wake myself up. Getting hard to do something even with my own will. No, I don't like the feeling to sit in the table plate full of food but no one to share. I don't know when everything will go back to its normal self. And finally I can meet my loved ones. And yes, hope is always there. Keeping faith and having the hope is somehow keeping me in my sanity. It will be over. It will be over soon.
So I hope that you have loved today's video. So I have tried something different in today's video. Actually it's totally different, like it's not what I really film usually but I really wanted to film this because it is what actually going on with my mind at this moment, and also it is going with I will say a lot of people are going through this situation. I just wanted you guys to take this video in a positive way. I feel like it was in the end of this poem or whatever you said. It's not a poem, definitely it's not a poem. It's just, I will say what I am feeling right now. I just blabbered in this video. So at the end of that video, like end of this storytelling, I have mentioned that hope is what is keeping me in my sanity. It's definitely, I know this situation is so tricky, like it's tricking your mind to not be positive, to not be hopeful, but definitely there is some hope to follow. And also I am trying, and I'm definitely filming a mental health update video because I am going through a lot at this moment. I'm gonna talk about in depth in that video, but this is what I have filmed. I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. So every day it's a learning for me. Every day I'm learning something new about videography. I'm not perfect in videography, I'm not perfect in editing. I am just learning day by day. Every day is a new learning for me, and definitely one day I will definitely perfect in all of these skills. One day definitely I'll perfect it. So keep supporting, guys. If you have loved this video, don't forget to click that like button and show like to this video. Give some love to this video. Also don't forget to support by subscribing to this channel, guys, because it really motivates me to film a lot of videos. Because what I feel like, I am a girl who love to learn and love to share her learning. So every day is a new learning. As I mentioned, I'm learning a lot of things, and definitely I'm gonna share a lot of things with all of you so that it can inspire you to learn something for you guys. So definitely don't forget to subscribe. It will keep on motivating me to keep on filming videos. Yes. So yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Till then, you all stay beautiful, stay inside, stay safe, and take care of your mental health too. Bye.